What happens to a house when an earthquake hits? If the foundation is weak, it crumbles to the ground. But if the foundation is strong, it stands the test of time. Life will shake you. People will test you. Challenges come crashing down. But the question is, will you stand or will you fall? The answer is simple. Your foundation in life determines everything. I spent 2 years after graduating law school fighting to pass the bar exam. There were moments when I thought about quitting. I had leveraged everything in my life to complete this goal, and at times it felt impossible. But instead of stepping back, I committed even more. I dug deeper into myself. I wanted to be the example for my son, to show him that no obstacle is too big if your why is strong enough. Through this journey, I learned that I can achieve difficult things, that I can rise above any challenge when my intention is strong. And I decided to be the man who refuses to quit. Most people try to patch their lives like fixing a leaky roof. I'm just going to get a new job, right? It's not going right. This girlfriend's not going for me. I'm going to get a new relationship. You know what? I'm not happy with my life. I'm going to go out and do some drinking and carrying on and womanizing, thinking that will fix everything. But the truth is, you don't fix a weak house by repainting the walls. You rebuild a house from the foundation up. And that's what we're doing today. When I was in law school, I gained weight. I wanted to lose it fast, and I turned to a quick fix, fasting. And it worked. I dropped 30 pounds in a couple of months, but it came at a cost. And when I got stretched over the summer studying for the bar exam, I gained that weight back and more. But this time, I didn't gain the weight back, a lot of muscle that I had lost. I gained it back in fat. And then I realized I had been patching up a problem. Instead of fixing a foundation, I took on the challenge again. But this time, I built strong habits. I focused on my nutrition. I hit the gym and strength trained it, and I worked on my endurance to build up my legs and my cardiovascular. I made a fortress instead of a past job, and the results have stuck. This was the best choice I ever made. You can have all the money in the world, all the success, and still feel lost. And why is that? Because without a foundation, you don't know who you are. You let the world tell you who you be, and then you have to go chasing that every day to try to live up to it. If you don't define yourself, the world will do it for you, and you may not like what they decide you are. At my lowest point, I had just entered law school. I had sold my real estate business, and I had very little time with my son. I wasn't sure how I was going to protect him or make sure he didn't face the hard road I did to be a dad I knew I could be. I knew I wanted more for myself and for him. So I made a choice. I started visualizing the life that I wanted, the connection I wanted to build, the actions I needed to take and make it real. Every single day, I committed to this vision. I shaped my life around becoming the man who would achieve it. And now, here I am, being that man, living that dream. And so, think about your life like a building. Before the walls go up, before the roof is set, before anything happens, there's a foundation. And you get to make that foundation brick on top of brick on top of brick. The stronger your foundation, the taller and stronger your life can stand. But what are the materials that make up this foundation? Well, the first brick is your identity. Who do you choose to be? The second brick are your values. What principles in your life will guide you in the decisions you make? The third brick, those are the habits. What daily actions reinforce your strengths and build you into the man you want to be? But the mortar that holds it all together, integrity. The commitment to being the same person no matter who's watching, and even more important, when nobody's watching. If you don't define who you are, someone else will do it for you. And trust me, they won't have your best interest at heart. So start here. What did I do well today? What can I do better tomorrow? What do I stand for? And what's my purpose? And how I make it all happen? Every answer is a brick in your foundation. Skip this step, and your life becomes a house built by strangers. Your mind can be your greatest weapon or your biggest enemy. The words you tell yourself shape your reality. Start replacing doubt with belief and action, knowing that it can happen. Everything you want comes, and you can make it all be happening in your life. Start replacing negativity with belief it can happen. And when I think I can't, I ask, how can I instead? When life has me down, I visualize what it looks like when I overcome. The shift in mindset helped me reframe challenges, build resilience, and continuously push myself forward to the growth and life that I choose to have. A strong foundation means nothing if you build it on weak materials. If you fill your life with excuses, distractions, and fear, your structure will collapse under pressure. Instead, build with discipline, accountability, and self-respect. Respect isn't given, it's earned, one action at a time. Every moment you have a choice to do the things you need to do to get that respect. So own your mistakes. We all make them. When you make a mistake, though, take accountability for that mistake and commit to doing something different the next time. And remember, ask yourself this question: what could I have done better? And then take small daily actions. They might seem insignificant, but they stack up over time. And as you keep stacking, you're going to build that fortress. So wake up on time, move your body, feed your mind and soul. It's not about being perfect. It's about living in excellence with consistency day in and day out. Visualize the man you want to become. Who is he? What qualities define him? Understanding your deeper why and the vision that drives you makes this path clearer. When challenges arrive, that vision and purpose will fuel your resistance, pushing you forward with urgency. The more you embody these qualities daily, the more they define you, shaping your life and the legacy you leave behind. It's so important. And when you think about leaving your legacy behind, you get to be in the experience of who you're with today. The people around you will either strengthen your foundation or bring you down. So choose wisely. Think about the story about the crabs crawling out of the bucket. They're falling back down. Surround yourself with crabs that pull you up, not down. Look for friends who lift you up, challenge you, and walk the path of growth with you. Negative influences are like quicksand, so cut them loose before they help you sink. Every morning, ask yourself, what do I get to do next to become the man that lives in my purpose? Every choice, every habit, every person you surround yourself with is a brick in the fortress of your life. So build wisely. Being a part of the shared parenting movement has lifted me up. Supporting so many great men as they fight to be the dads they dream of being has fueled my commitment to help them overcome. It has shown me that I am powerful and capable, and that my vision and purpose, that those things cannot be outdone. And they extend beyond myself, even beyond you and beyond my son. It is a commitment to be a guiding light, ensuring no child or father has the experience or the pain that I did. My mission is to help families navigate these tougher times, go through them faster, with more connection, joy, and love. And so I want to leave it at this, my son. This isn't just about surviving. It's about thriving in life. Your foundation is built on integrity, accountability, and the company you keep. Start every day with purpose. Respect yourself. Never stop learning, and remember, every choice, every habit, every person you surround yourself with is a brick in the fortress of your life. You get to build the future and the life of your dreams. You get to lay the bricks, and the stronger your foundation, the stronger your life. So build up that life as you want. Let's make this journey together. The foundation you lay today will carry you for a lifetime. Let's get started. What's one brick you can lay today? What's one decision you can make right now to build a better future for yourself? Hey guys, thanks for listening. If this resonates with you, please be sure to like and subscribe and follow. There's going to be a lot more to come. Blessings.